It means your body is practically running out of fuel or the Shukra Dhatu or the essence. Okay? And time, if you do not address this, time is bad and short. अगर लेफ्ट किडनी में एक्सेस पित्त चल रहा है, इम्बैलेंस, बहुत ज्यादा एक्सेस पित्त के साथ चल रहा है, you will definitely have all types of burning in urination, UTIs, you will have uric acid problems, okay? You will have your creatinine rising, okay? You are moving towards kidney failure because पित्त फिर से एसेंस को और किडनी को जलाया जा रहा है फटाफट. But if it is perfectly balanced, that is the most beautiful. Then it is functioning smooth. Everything in your life is in perfect balance. If there is a sadist, which is kapha, in the left kidney, you definitely will have issues in the reproductive organ, any type of cyst, fibroid, tumor formation in the uterus lining, the ovaries, and all of that. You will definitely have hypothyroidism. You will definitely develop diabetes, okay, with the symptom of excess urination and excess thirst. You will definitely create active depression, okay. You will definitely have joint pains, especially the knees, okay, and the inner thighs, okay. You will develop pretty much, hair loss. There's a bunch and bunch of hair loss, okay. अगर लेफ्ट किडनी में सेडिस्ट है और कफा है वहाँ पे, ठीक है. रिंग थर्ड करेक्ट. हेयर ऑन द हेड इज गवर्न्ड बाय द लेफ्ट किडनी. कितना भी तेल लगा लो, कितना भी विटामिन ई, ये वो, मैं वो ऑनियन का शैम्पू बना के लगा लो, नहीं होना है. हाँ, किडनी किडनी
just check my from
go. परफेक्ट. तू यूवी पे देख रहा है, थोड़ा सा डीप जाना है किडनी में, और डीप. वैसे भी हेलो, द किडनी पल्स यू विल फाइंड मच डीपर. वो ऊपर नहीं मिलेगा. अगेन रिमेंबर, मैक्सिमम yin है, इट इज ऑलवेज हिडन, इट इज एकदम नीचे मिलेगा, उसको ढूंढना पड़ता है. फाइंडिंग द किडनी पल्सेस विल टेक टाइम, एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड इंटरप्रेटिंग देम विल टेक इवन मोर टाइम. हाँ, correct.
So, by correlation, my mom also blamed it on me using. My mom blamed it on me using shampoos and her not taking care of my hair. But from what this is, that I noticed my mom started at around the same age as I started using my hair.
Plus, please understand. The faster you breathe, okay, the faster you are expending your kidney qing, your essence, okay. The slower you breathe, it is much more pitta. The faster you breathe, it is vata. The slower you breathe, or in rhythm, active life, it is pitta. Yet you are using the fuel every passing day, every passing breath. एक लिमिटेड टंकी लेकर आए हो आप, जो दिन वो टंकी खत्म हो गई, डन, फिनिश, ओके. एंड दैट टोटली डिपेंड्स अपॉन द एसेंस stored in the prenatal chi or the kidney zinc, okay. every person is born with that birth chart, and people ask me, the life लंबा है ना, like जितना fast सांस लेगा उतना ही है. You come with a 25,000 click shelf life. You breathe faster, your button is gone. Okay. Life is measured in the number of breaths, and not time is simply a perception of your mind. Okay. If you are breathing at the kidney level or the dantian, if you are in the eternal present, you stop aging. Aging. You don't stop,
I know.
but you the slow down. It's so slow कि you will observe कि other people, you will find them aging every 3 months, and you can see small differences. When you are most of the time in that eternal present, वो जो साल भर में जितना age, how much they age in a day, you will end up aging in a year. That is how slow you can really. Okay. Perception of time at the Dantian level is circular. Okay. Perception of time at the solar or the middle Dantian, okay, is chaotic. Perception of time at the third eye level of the third Dantian is linear. That is why most of us are basically focused externally from here. Okay, we are visualizing the world from the eyes, and so our perception of time is always moving forward and linear, and it's race against time. Okay. Someone who is perception of time is a little disturbed and coming from the middle Dantian, sometimes they perceive time super fast, sometimes super slow, sometimes in complete chaos, sometimes in excessive order. Okay. Coming from the Dantian, the lower Dantian, the perception of time is beautiful Enso. You know what an Enso is? Enso? It's a Zen symbol. Maximum yin. ये देखा नहीं है symbol? It's called a Zen Enso. E-N-S-O. Enso. Okay. Perception of time is exactly circular. Okay. What else? Right kidney अभी father पे आ जाए. Father or the willpower. The role of the father. So when you are born, the first 7 years, you identify yourself as a part of the mother's body itself. And so if you observe most children, they cling along to their mother. And if the mother says, oh no, thoda dur ja, that is what really hurts them. Oh, but because the perception of the child is it still believes that it is attached, the mother's body and its own body is one entity. Okay. The moment the child cries, the mother is there to provide. Okay. The first 7 years, the child starts slowly understanding and learns all the virtues, the values from the mother. It is nurtured by the mother. It is governed by the mother. It is given a long-term life path and a destiny by the mother. If the mother looks at the child in a particular manner with dreamy eyes, ये ना ये कुछ तो बड़ा करेगा, ठीक है? The child absorbs it then and there. Okay, and so the child immediately starts learning. Over here, it's not in the planning stage yet. The planning stage starts after 7, but it is just learning. What does my great mother expect from me? So when a mother picks up a child and says, "ये बच्चा कुछ तो बड़ा करेगा," I know it from my heart. Okay, or you actually always say, "I know it from my gut," which is what. Okay, and so the mother imposes the values and the aspirations of the entire family clan कि ये कुछ ऐसा नाम रोशन करेगा, ऐसा काम करेगा कि it will make everybody proud. Mother is not interested कि ये मेरा नाम रोशन करेगा. Okay. And the child also considers, and the mother also considers this child even after birth as a part of her whole body, still attached to it. Okay. And so the differentiation between them happens only after the age of 2.5, 3, where really the child starts identifying himself or herself as a little bit. It understands that okay, I am a child and she is the mother, but I came from her, and so I am him or her. I am her, a part of her. But it now starts understanding that okay, I am here and I am supposed to do something grander in life. Okay. And I am supposed to grow up. I am supposed to have these values, these virtues, these emotions, these thought processes. And this is my position in this world, in this family. Either I am born rich or poor. This is my position, and so this is exactly what I need to start doing eventually to fulfill my mother's aspirations and dreams, or her needs, to fulfill her destiny also. By the age of 7 is where the energy shifts from the left kidney to the right. This is where the father suddenly appears in the picture. अभी तक ये गायब रहता है, absent. Correct? First 7 years, yes, the father is playing. Today's times I see that fathers take equal interest in raising their child. But in the child's mind, the way how nature is designed, in the child's mind, बाप का इम्पोर्टेंस 7 साल के बाद ही चालू होता है. तब तक he is just अरे वो कोई आता है. घर का डॉगी मेरे साथ ज्यादा रहता है, ये आता है जाता है, पता नहीं क्या करता है, कभी आता है कुछ बोलता है तेरे लिए ये लेकर आया वो लेकर आया. That is how the child really perceives. क्या क्या क्या?
कोई तो भी अंकल आता है.
हाँ, कोई तो भी अंकल आता है. Okay. This is also the time when the child in that age from 4 to 7 develops either a sadomasochistic relationship with either the father or the mother. Let's say if the child observes this so-called man who comes and goes, getting pally with the mother, then the child feels threatened by the father, and that is where the first turmoil starts, that disconnection starts. यार ये because the child believes very strongly कि ये तो मेरी प्रॉपर्टी है बॉस, ये जो औरत है ये मेरी प्रॉपर्टी है, इसके ऊपर ये आके क्या करके जाता है, मेरे को बेडरूम के बाहर फेंक देता है. This is at the level where that father and son or daughter and father, if there is a discordant thing, it starts over here. Okay? From the age of 7, suddenly the child is also now going to school, so it understands, it is interacting much more. And so now it has more or less found a position in life, okay, or it is still trying to find a position and create his own identity. This is now how I need to perceive. People need to perceive me, okay, and that is when he suddenly realized कि अरे वो जो आता जाता है ना, वो एक important character लाइफ का. ठीक है, वो अपने को पैसा भी देगा, वो अपने को नाम भी देगा, वो मेहनत भी करके अपने को लाइफ में आगे लेकर जाएगा. ठीक है. So this child suddenly starts getting acquainted and starts learning skills from the father, physical skills, societal skills. It starts learning what willpower is. It starts learning how to work, how to assimilate, how to talk to people, how to behave in front of people, how to behave with kids of his age, how to behave with elders, how to behave with the eldest. All these values it starts picking up from the father. The child also subconsciously starts registering. ये आदमी स्ट्रेस में रहता है ना, तो ये यहाँ से ब्रीथ करता है या ये रिवर्स ब्रीथ करता है. And the child is able to identify how old is this guy. He is around 30 to 35. ये स्ट्रेस में आता है, या तो ये सिगरेट एक लाइट करता है, या तो ये रात को दारू पीता है, या तो ये रिवर्स ब्रीदिंग चालू करता है, ये कुछ तो टैबलेट भी खाता है, आई डोंट नो. तो मैं ये एज का जब हो जाऊंगा ना, तो द स्ट्रेसफुल, जैसे ही इसको फोन आता है और ये स्ट्रेस में आ जाता है, द चाइल्ड इमीडिएटली अंडरस्टैंड्स कि नाउ ही इज ब्रीदिंग फ्रॉम द थोरियाक, पैनिक में है, इमोशनल एंगर में है. सो द चाइल्ड स्टार्ट्स लर्निंग दीज थिंग्स फ्रॉम द फादर. ओके, इट वाज so and so similar situation, and the father starts behaving like this, he starts breathing like this, he starts behaving like this. So it is the child starts learning these behaviors and camouflages and facades and the tactics of survival in this world from that age of 7 up till 14. It is actually learning much more from the father, observing the father than the mother, because now the mother is no longer important anymore. She is there, she is around. Now mother का काम क्या है? भूख लगा, खाना दो, पढ़ाई कर रहे, किताब ला के दो, ट्यूशन चालू है, ये करके दो, वो करके दो, पिक मी अप, टेक मी टू स्कूल, ड्रॉप. बस मदर का काम अब उतना ही. Okay. So the second 7 years of life is where the father is the most influential. We are learning our skills. We are learning what we will become in the physical world. The father or the kidney yang, as I said, governs the pericardium and the brain activity. If the child is behaving dumb, okay, or if the child is a little slow, or if the child has ADD, ADHD, any of these psychosomatic conditions from an early age, look at what he is picking up from the father or the father figure. Okay. If the father is a couch potato, okay, that is exactly what the child will start picking up and also start displaying. कि वैसे तो इंटेलिजेंट हूँ, बट जब तक मदर या टीचर डंडा नहीं मारेगी तब तक मैं उठ के कुछ काम नहीं करूँगा, because that is exactly what he is observing at home. Okay. If the father is always fidgety, always on the run, okay, he is always running around doing this, has no time for anybody else, the child will immediately start developing ADD and ADHD. Okay. Because he is observing and picking up कि ये कभी ये करता है, कभी ये करता है, कभी ये करता है, डिसाइड कर ले क्या करना है. Fidgety. So that is exactly what the child will start developing in that age group of. It will start picking up. It has not started displaying these traits. Right now it is just absorbing everything. Okay. The child will start learning about, obviously, sexual maturation will start hitting upon by the age of 13, 14. Again, that is derived from the father and his willpower in certain manner. That behavioral axis or the Ming Men of right kidney yin is how they start trying to build their perception, how they want to be perceived by other people in the society. So a lot about physical appearance, about beauty, about cleanliness, about grooming themselves, all these skill sets. Suddenly, boys and girls they take their entire life starts revolving around this. How am I being perceived? Okay, look at me, because now they are also learning कि एक rat race शुरू होने वाली है, and so how fast can I sprint? So this masochistic behavior also they start learning from the father. If the father is expecting them to perform, okay, so some fathers take excessive keen interest in their child's development, okay, in which case the child develops a insufficiency complex कि ये साला पहले तो गायब था, अभी अचानक से इसको मेरे से कुछ काम है. So the masochist is developed, and so the child, the right kidney automatically, if you look at most of the right kidneys, you will always find a masochist over there, and you will always find a sadist in the left kidney. Okay. Most of the times. That is what drives us. That is what makes us addicted to the adrenaline rush. Okay. And the adrenaline rush is the biggest bodily addiction that we have developed. All the other addictions are actually ultimately to fuel the adrenaline rush addiction. Okay. So every time the child starts feeling a little bit threatened or a little bit out of place, he copies. कि जैसे ही कुछ तो किसी ने ऑब्जेक्शन दिया, किसी ने किया, मेरा पोजीशन किसी ने हिलाया, jump into action, push all the energy into the feet and start performing, start running, start acting, okay, start behaving in a particular manner. This is how they start becoming a little masochistic. Okay. They are copying their fathers. Which gains more or less depends on how the what experiences the child went through.